Hey there, today I want to share this 42-piece ratchet set with you. This was sent to me from the brand, and when you open it up, everything is here neat and tidy in its own place. You have those longer bits up at the top, all have their own place, and they pop in and out of this super easy and stay put once you put them back. On the bottom half, you have the ratchet itself. It's super easy to take apart and put back together because everything is magnetic. With a flip of the switch, you can go from one direction to the other using the ratchet. The smaller bits here at the bottom are all color coded, making it super easy to find what you need. All of those bits in the kit are also labeled, not only on the case itself, but on each individual bit, meaning it's super easy to make sure you're always putting those bits back in the correct place. I think this is gonna be great for all of those places where you need a small screwdriver. If you're looking for a new ratchet set that is nice and compact and easy to find what you need, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.